When you're comparing CoConstruct versus Buildertrend, it's clear that both are heavy hitters in the construction management software space, but which one is actually right for your business? In this detailed feature comparison, we'll break down everything you need to know to make the best decision. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow, and if you stay until the end, we've got an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. Both CoConstruct and Buildertrend are designed to help contractors and project managers streamline their business, but they offer different approaches. CoConstruct is known for its focus on custom home building and remodeling, while Buildertrend caters to a broader audience, including general contractors, home builders, and remodelers. This leads us to the first major difference between them: project management. Next thing, let's talk about project scheduling. CoConstruct allows you to build detailed schedules with automatic alerts and reminders to keep things on track. You can also integrate subcontractors into the schedule, so everyone stays on the same page. Buildertrend also offers scheduling, but it stands out with its drag-and-drop functionality, making it super easy to adjust timelines on the fly. Both offer mobile access, but Buildertrend's mobile app tends to have a smoother user experience for on-site workers. When it comes to budgeting and estimating, both platforms allow you to create cost estimates and track project budgets, but there's a key difference. CoConstruct integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks, which many contractors appreciate for its financial accuracy. However, Buildertrend offers more flexible invoicing options, allowing you to create and manage multiple invoice types for different project stages. If financial reporting is key for you, both platforms have strong features, but Buildertrend offers more in terms of custom reporting capabilities. Next up, client communication. CoConstruct takes the lead here with its client portal, which allows homeowners to track the progress of their project, view invoices, and communicate directly with contractors. It's a very client-friendly feature, especially for custom builders who need to keep their clients involved. Buildertrend also offers a client portal, but it's more focused on the project management side, making it great for contractors who prefer to keep things in-house. The fourth thing to mention is integrations. Both CoConstruct and Buildertrend offer integrations with third-party software, but Buildertrend has a broader range, including options for accounting, CRM, and document management. CoConstruct's integrations are more focused on accounting and client communication, which may suit smaller operations or those who prefer a more straightforward solution. Now, let's talk about ease of use. CoConstruct has a bit of a steeper learning curve, especially if you're new to construction management software. It's highly customizable, which can be a pro or a con, depending on your needs. Buildertrend, on the other hand, is generally considered easier to navigate, with a more intuitive interface and a robust support system to help you get up to speed quickly. Both platforms offer excellent customer support, but Buildertrend's live chat feature gives it a slight edge for on-demand help. CoConstruct does provide support, but it's often through email or phone, which may not be as immediate. Now, here's something important to keep in mind: pricing. CoConstruct and Buildertrend both offer tiered pricing based on features, but Buildertrend tends to be more flexible, with lower entry costs and options to upgrade as your business grows. CoConstruct's pricing is on the higher side, especially if you're looking for advanced features like custom reporting. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a special offer. If you're still deciding between CoConstruct versus Buildertrend, remember that you can use both of these platforms for completely free by clicking the first link below. You'll get exclusive bonuses, including extended trials, so you can test both options with zero risk and decide which one fits your business best. To recap, CoConstruct is ideal for custom home builders with a focus on client communication and project budgeting, while Buildertrend offers a more flexible, user-friendly experience with broader integrations and superior mobile support. Both have their strengths, and it really comes down to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive extended trial.